Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to a new video, which is a kind of unboxing video. Maybe not exactly unboxing because there is no box on my table. As you can see, I only have those products here, and these are all from Little Birdie Crafts. And I don't have much space here, so I couldn't fit the box, but I received so many beautiful products and I'm going to show you what I got. I've got a bag here full of flowers. I've got paper, some chipboards, some mediums, and also a lovely metallic wax. And maybe I will start with this one. So this is the new waxes, okay, and this one is actually so pretty. So this is what is the color called? Glimmer moss, and I just love that green color. And I've got a really nice idea how I can use it, and I will show you in a minute. But it's a really nice size of the wax as well, so I will show you that in a second because I've got a really fantastic piece to use it on. So those two, this is a grainy texture paste, which I think it contains some sand probably, or so some pieces. I guess it's not very smooth. Oh, let me just open it so we can see. You can see on the, I think you can see here, it is quite grainy, which I think it will be great for adding a texture to your project. And I'm going to create a project in another video, so I may use that. Then I've got Deco Magic Fabric decoupage glue, and I'm really happy with it because I want to try decoupage. So this will be next on my list to use as well. Should I open it? No, I won't. Okay, don't bother. Not at that moment. I've got some chipboard elements. And what is great about the chipboard, it's very thick, okay, and this is primed. So if you can see, it's white on one side, and then it's just natural color on the other side. But it's a thick piece, which is really nice. So I've got some of those gorgeous elements, and I've got a stencil which I can put some sentiments on my project, or as a whole piece, or individual writing. Oh, the packaging is really sturdy. So we've got something like that, and it's cute, very small, so easy to take anywhere you go. Okay, maybe I will start with some papers. I will speed up for a video for that because I've got them so many. So I will show you the papers, and I've got them in 12 by 12 and 6 by 6, and these are, I've got the same packs, but obviously the 6 by 6 got smaller designs than 12 by 12, so I will show you the big ones so you can see those beautiful papers. Let me just say that these are very thick papers. I think there are 250 GSM, yes, 250 GSM, and we've got 12 sheets in each pack. just came back to that sheet because I didn't realize, but look, these are die cuts. This is just amazing. So yay, you know, they are pre-cut, easy for you to take out of the paper. I'm showing you only the top of the paper because I didn't say, but they all one-sided, which is great, right? You don't have to worry which side to use because they all single-sided. So yeah, those die cuts are definitely super cute. Okay, it's time to see the flowers. I've got huge bag full of flowers. They are in pink because I asked about for pink flowers. So I don't have many random colors. I just got pink flowers, and they are all made in. They are all handmade, which makes them absolutely wonderful, and the flowers are beautiful, just beautiful. So I will take them out and we can see them together. I just looked into the bag, I haven't seen them yet. But wow, this is amazing. Look at that. Okay, it must be like, I don't know, so many bags. Oh, there are butterflies as well, so I will quickly go through them all. And oh, this will be great to create, just adding the centers and create tiny flowers, or you can use them as on the as a background for your other flower arrangements. And I love the packaging. Can you see? It's like a jar shape. Just beautiful, so gorgeous. Oh, look at that, these glittery ones. Oh, so beautiful. Small roses. Even if I make flowers, the roses are just a nightmare for me to make. I mean, they take a lot of time, but look at them, so super cute. And the little flower arrangements. So this is a quick way to, you know, to create an arrangement on your card. There is so many kinds. I just look at them. Again, glittery roses. These are super cute. I'll put some on the sides, and also those with the leaves. I just love leaves. Look at that. And here we've got a pack of bigger flower arrangement. This is kind of one stuck together, I think so, and it's just amazing. And the other florals. This is just beautiful. Oh, so cute. So pretty. I hope you can see it's a silver glitter, but very fine, just beautiful. So these are my flowers. And you've seen the papers already, and I just want to thank Little Birdie Crafts so much for that generous pack. I will create the project soon, and I will record the video for you as well. I'm sure it will be more than one. I will have them in next few days. And yes, please visit Little Birdie Crafts. They got a new store opened. I mean, it's an online store, and it's they shipping from US. And it used to be like for the wholesalers only. Now, if you want, you can buy the flowers directly from them, and the papers and everything else. They've got so many beautiful products. They've got lots of mixed media products as well. So I will give you a link below the video. Visit their store. They've got a group on Facebook as well, so I will link the group there. If you will make a project with their products, you can share it to the group. It's called Little Birdie Crafters Cafe. And yeah, I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching for today. Thank you, Little Birdie Crafts, for sending me those beautiful products. I'm just overwhelmed with them. They are just fantastic. And have a lovely creative day. Take care. Bye.